What's up, everybody? It's your boy John Robin. We're back today with another episode of J Rob Designs. Today, I bring you a onesie top that I had previously made, and I posted a couple of pictures on Instagram, and I decided to do a video on it. Even though it's super simple, I feel like you guys can figure it out, but I still decided to do a video. So let's jump right into the video. For starters, you want to take your fabric and you want to fold it just so you can get two sides of the piece. I had already folded mine before I started the video. So right now you just see me putting the bodysuit that I previously made onto the folded side. And I'm just making sure everything's spaced out so it's correct fit. And then right now you just see me cutting around it. So for this fabric, I had used it's like a pinkish purple punty fabric. I hope I'm saying that right. It's kind of thick and it's really stretchy, and I honestly love it, to be honest. So like I said, right now you just see me cutting around it. Okay, now we're done cutting. Before you begin sewing, just make sure that both sides are even. It would be really bad to sew an uneven bodysuit. Trust me, I did it before and it looked really awkward. So right now you just see me lining both sides up, making sure they're even. And then for this side, it was a little bit off, so I ended up trimming it just so it'll match. And once you're done cutting, it's time to sew. Now, when it comes to sewing, it's really simple. You only have four sides to sew. You have the bottom where it's open, you have the top for the strap, and of course you have the two sides. So right now I'm starting with the bottom. I started with a straight stitch, but I later went back and did a zigzag stitch. I don't know, it's something about a zigzag stitch that just seems really secure in my opinion. I could be really wrong, but hey, I'm self-taught, so I learn as I go. So I just did the bottom, and right now I'm gonna do the top. Okay, we are done with the top. And then I was on to the two sides. And for the two sides, I definitely did zigzag stitch because that's that's the seams that's gonna be having the most pressure applied to it when it comes to stretching purposes. So I did a zigzag stitch down the sides of both of them. Okay, now once you're done sewing, you should end up with something like this. Very easy, very simple. After I got through, I went back and I changed a few things. So this is the finished product.